Hi guys, welcome back to my channel at Bizyjoe.com. So you must have heard this particular sentence that the higher the amount of plugins you have, the slower your website loads. Yeah, that's very that's true. So in order to avoid adding so many plugins on your WordPress website, there are some things that you need to know. There are some ways that you can be able to implement all those plugins code, because these plugins are codes. They are code that are being packaged and called a plugin that affect a certain function on your WordPress website. So in order to avoid that or limit, you cannot actually avoid adding plugin on your website because you must do that. So but you will minimize the rate at which you add plugins on your website. So I will be showing you how to add a header code and footer code to your WordPress website without actually adding a plugins, because most time what people do is that once they want to add a code, if their team does not support that particular adding, because there are some WordPress theme that you have, you can be able to add these particular codes on your header and footer. But some plugin, many team out there don't have that particular space where you can be able to add codes on your footer and header. So but today, even without anything, I will be able to show you how you can be able to do that. So and if today is your first time of visiting my channel at Bizyjoe.com, please do well to hit the subscription button down below and the bell notification button close to it to get notified anytime I produce an awesome video like this. So let's get started. So what I need to do is just to go to my WordPress website. So this is my website. Then what I need to go do, let's say I want to add a HB agency header code. So this is my HB agency. So let me go to website. So let's assume that I want to add the header code on my website. So what I need to do is just to go and click on generate code. This is the particular code, add on the header. So what I need to do, then let me close this. Then I'll go to my appearance. As you can see appearance. Then I'll go to theme file editor. As you can see, theme file editor. So I'll just click on theme file editor. So and you must be careful the things that you do here, because any mistake that you do here, it will crash your WordPress website. Do you understand? So you be careful the kind of thing. So let me, where we want to go is, I want to go to header.php. As you can see, I want to add a header code. I will go to header.php. If I want to add a footer code, I'll go to footer.php. If I want to add a body code, I'll go to index.php. So let me go to header.php from my theme file. So this is my header.php, and the code states that they need to add that particular code before the header closing tag. So this is the header closing tag. This is the particular header closing tag. As you can see, this is the opening tag. This is the closing tag. So what I need to do is just to click on enter. I'll create space. I can create many space. Then I'll just click on paste. Once I click on paste, the code, I will add that code without adding additional plugin. So why would you go and install a plugin just to add a code, a piece of code on your website? But if you have a team that supports that, there are so many teams out there, Jenna team, and so many team, Newsmake, News, and all that. They support people adding codes on their header, body, and footer without installing additional plugin, or even installing add insert and all that. So once I add this there, I need to just click on update file. So I already have this particular code on my blog, so there's no need of adding it again. So once I'm done, just click on update file. So that's how you can actually add code, whether on your footer. If you want to add your index page, you click on index. If you want to add on footer, you click on footer, and any other place that you want a code to appear. So if you find any usefulness in this particular video, please do it to leave a thumbs up, like, share, and comment on our video. And also let me know in the comment section the next video you would like me to produce next. Do have a wonderful day. So thanks for watching this video.